Ta-da! She insisted that she unbox this with me, so you have to bear with us as we show you the contents, okay? Who are you again?
Dana.
Okay, so let's show them, baby. So, we'll unbox
Bubble wrap.
this.
Pink box!
She likes the pink box. She's actually asking for it, but I said I can just make or get another box for her because this box is for my kid. So baby, why don't you help mommy show them what's inside the kit?
Okay.
Now come here.
Some will
So they'll see
probably keep in my butt.
No.
It's gonna stink, Mommy. So you open the it's one.
may ano na siya. Ulterior motives. May evil plan na ang bebe girl. Okay? So it, as
Whoa!
always, it's
Even
very
the box
sealed
is cool.
properly. Even the box is cold out. Ta-da! Okay.
Mine.
So let's open it na. Oh. I like the colors. I think it's pretty close to the colors that we use for our invitations. So this is what the kit has
Open
inside.
it!
Yeah. Your hair is messy. Oh,
Ooh,
it's the usual note from the Vida Prince.
Thank you very much.
It says, thank you very much. Do what you love what you do. Happy planning.
Happy planning.
Lots of love. Mary Faye.
Mary Faye.
Yeah, Mary Faye. And this is the...
Packaging. More packaging.
Okay? Wait. I'll hand it to you one by one. Careful! Me. You're too excited.
It's broken.
Ah!
The plastic's broken. That looks like tissue plastic.
Wait.
Whoa! Whoa!
here,
I
so
like the
sorry.
printing.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay.
She's really excited.
That first.
Yeah, it's the first one.
I can't
It's
see very
actually planner charms. I think I'm gonna put this on your hair. Think so? These are from wait now. These are from Craft Happy by
By
Vange.
Vange.
Thank you so much for your planner charms.
Whoa!
Oh, this one is something I also like. This one's crafted by Vienne CCC.
Wait, I'll show it. I'll
Sorry,
show it.
Vida. Yeah, show.
There you see a wrecking ball.
Hey, that's mine. You know what? I actually like this charm. So when it was first advertised that it would be part of the kit, and I think at that time I didn't have a slot on the kits yet. I decided to go ahead and order one from Vienne. So I already have one like this. So I think either this one or that other one will go to the little girl. But this was part of the kit, so this one's mine. And then this one. Who doesn't like this one? I like this one.
This is Mommy's.
Yeah, it's gonna be Mommy's because you have a lot of
It's
pens already. There. It's
It has
glittery pen.
some gold, silver, pink, diamonds inside. And it's a crystal pen.
Yeah, it's from Villa Beautiful.
Crystal
And it's really, really
BB pen.
beautiful. Crystal BB pen. Thank you so much. You can get yours from shopvillabeautiful.com. That's with double F. Shop Villa Beautiful. Thank you.
Here's some.
Washi tape.
Ooh.
These are so cute.
I don't like tape.
I like it. So this is mine, yeah. These also are mine. It is gold foil.
I'm not
These are so
sure.
pretty. And
You
these
are
washi tapes
good.
with foil designs are from Oh So Batteries. Tell me girls, tell me guys, how do you not just hoard
Okay, I like this
and how do you use your washi tapes? Because me, I just love to stare at them. As in, I don't like using them. I think they will
Because
go to waste if I use them. But I have to. Because this
It's double
year,
wrap.
you know, for 2019,
Wait,
I actually
I
got
like
around 5 planners.
they have some.
But I only really actively
They have some
used
words
one.
on the like round.
So now I planned it for 2020. I'll stick with only a few, like 1 to 2 planners, but really use all of them. So please, help me not just horse. These are stickers. Careful. These are stickers from Craftrina. There.
With a K.
Yeah, Craftrina with a K.
Here, there's a mocha.
Yeah, so if you're into coffee, you will be using this a lot. And then this one, oh cutie!
It's Super Bear.
Paper Bear Co. Paper Bear Company. Pretty. They're like diesel.
But it says here somewhere Paper Bear Code.
Yeah, so you can get them at paperbearco.com.
You see lights
Oh,
on my
looks like
ring.
siopaw. Is it
Right?
siopaw? Or is it a panda? Yeah, one's a panda. Pretty girl. This one, Folda. I like this one. So this one are watercolor prints.
Hey, that's definitely.
No, sorry. It has 2 waterproof transparent vinyl sticker sheets, 1 free decal sticker, and 1 discount code. And
Hey.
this one is from Plan Right Crate.
This is
Thank you so
definitely
much,
gonna
Miss
wow
Rhea.
you.
I like this so much.
This
Thank
is
you, thank
definitely
you.
gonna wow me.
Yeah, I think so.
Done. Just kidding.
Yeah, she actually likes the function and the fashion stickers, the female stickers. I don't really know what they're called, but she really likes stickers with girl designs. So I think this one might go to her. I'm still thinking about it.
Get this one in my butt.
And no. And this one, no. These ones are from Rainbow Papery.
Oh,
No, Rainbow Papeterie. Sorry. These are from Rainbow Papeterie.
If you can read it, you can see it.
Yeah, sorry. It's
I have white eyeballs.
white eyeballs. Oh my.
Look, in
And
my eyes. Here's
The last content of the kit. Oh, I like this one.
That's definitely
Boulders.
And here's the back.
Monogram and
Show the
in
back.
front. Yeah, in front. Coats. Ah, thank you, Sis Marife. And these ones are from Sis Marife herself.
This one
From La
you go
Vida
in my
Pins.
butt.
Thank you so much. So that's actually the content
go
of
in
our
my butt.
kit. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Gonna
I
go
hope
in my butt.
No, I hope you enjoyed that. And again, head on over to La Vida Prince PH in Facebook. It's a group. Join us. This Marife is very welcoming and very
This is
friendly and
mine.
accommodating. And the next planner for December will be out for minors for pre-orders this November 30, 9 p.m. So stay tuned. Pero,
I'm gonna tell
hindi ko
them.
unahan.
I'm gonna
Thank you.
tell them
Bye-bye.
a secret. There's stuff inside the box.
No. Bye-bye. Thank you.